Eastward Ho is a world-class golf facility, and the reason for that is the design of the golf course and then the setting. Eastward Ho is a glacial moraine golf course, meaning it was all pushed up by the glaciers. So that produces these fantastic undulations and hills that we have here at Eastward Ho. The golf course has been here now for almost 103 years and has stood the test of time. Pushing this place into the future and doing some of these renovations that we've done the last few years have really set this golf club up to remain one of the leaders in the world for the next several decades. I learned about the path material through Erin Hills and really liked the material, learned more about the material at the GCSAA show, and decided that we needed to do a trial at Eastward Ho to learn more about the product.
I remember one of my first conversations with Frank over the phone when he was calling to place a trial order. He said, I have the hilliest course in America, and if it works here, it's gonna work everywhere. We got him a few loads of material. He did a trial on 18, and everybody was hooked. It was the answer that they were looking for.
That product that was installed nearly 5 years ago was reused on a different hole. The product went in just as if it were new when it came to us, and it's performing very well. So the longevity of the product, I don't see any decline when we rework it.
Our wax-coated aggregate is a proprietary product. What we did is we took our natural stone and blended it with a polymeric wax. The wax completely coats the aggregate and it allows it to repel water. It installs very simply. You can self-install, you can bring a contractor in. So there's a lot of flexibility and adaptability for the environment as well, which also makes it a home run for golf courses.
Their elevation changes are a big deal here. You're constantly either going up or down a hill on this course. There's really not a whole lot of flat. So our materials worked out really well for them because they can put that on the hillsides. It looks great, and they can actually tie their existing sands from this area right into the pathways, and it's just a seamless transition.
We have a lot of areas that are native sand areas. The cart paths wind between these areas. The wax-coated aggregate will go down, and then if we want to top dress, just to really solidify the look, that Kafka product matches up really perfectly with our surrounding sandy areas and really meshes into the natural landscape.
The expectations are constantly through the roof at this facility. Every day is the Super Bowl for them here, and the pathways are a big part of it. The last thing he wants to do is spend all his time making the turf as perfect as it is here and have somebody come back and have a bad memory of the round because the pathways were miserable to drive on.
The reason I would recommend Kafka to any golf course is the quality of the product. That's really what it comes down to. It's going to hold the slopes, it's going to be dustless, it's going to do all the things that we want to do on a golf course. Eastward Ho is considered to be one of these national gems, and we're constantly polishing that national gem, making it better. Kafka has been a huge part in helping us get to our goals at this high-end facility. Throughout our wonderful 5-year relationship with Kafka, they treat us like the top of the world. They're a fantastic company to work with, very happy with that partnership that we have with Kafka, and that partnership is going to continue for many, many years.